What's new and exciting at Timber Creek is we have some new products that we'll be releasing in 2024. We came out in 2023 with the rifle chassis and the 1022 and the Remington 700 short action. So we're going to be expanding that chassis line and coming out with some more bolt action chassis that will be available on the market. We're also expanding our pistol line. So we'll also be bringing in some SIG parts to the market and possibly some others down the line in 2024. We've seen continued growth in the company. So we also have a brand new website that we launched a couple months ago. We're also growing and expanding our team, and just some great new and exciting things that comes with the growth and expansion of the company as a whole and with growing our team. It's always exciting to go to SHOT Show. As everybody knows, it's kind of the kickoff to the year, kickoff to the trade show season. It's awesome to see what everybody else in the industry is doing as a whole with bringing in new and exciting products to the market. Also, it gives us a chance, our team is widespread, US, outside of the US, in the country. So it's a chance for our team to also come together, and we get to spend a whole week as a whole together, and just kind of socialize, visit, catch up. Sometimes there's a few people there that we only get to see at SHOT Show. And other than that, we get to talk. Also, it's exciting because we get to see all of our industry friends, our dealers, our customers. It's great networking and just a great building foundation to continue to build those relationships and build some new relationships. So as a whole, we love SHOT Show. Yes, so you can find us. Our booth number is 44160. So we're down on level 1. So depending on where you come in, if you come in through the main doors, we're kind of in that far back right corner. We're kind of hard to miss because we are a big booth, but we love our booth space that we have. Some of the things that we'll be having in our booth is we're going to have another simulator again, but it's going to be a little bit different. So we may have some promos where if you shoot the simulator, you may get a chance to win some products, which is always fun. Also, we're going to have all of our new and exciting products there. We're probably going to have some guest appearances. We're going to have some of our team there and pro staff. So it's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to just make it fun to where you're going to leave with a smile on your face. You're going to leave excited to bring some products into your stores. So that's our hope.